Hi, it's Kim. This is my first video and I'm gonna show you the process of how I drew Wolverine. So thanks for tuning in. I started by drawing the basic figure so I could see somehow if my proportions make sense. Then I will add contour lines that will represent the muscles to get an overall feel of how the composition will look. I will then erase and adjust the drawing if there will be any corrections, or as I see fit. You may notice that I've been struggling to correct the head part. Well, I haven't drawn a human figure in a very long time. So far, I'm just guessing what the muscles will look like and where it goes. Then I will shade in the parts that look final to me. I don't really have a strict step-by-step process when I draw. Usually, I like adding bits of details on the parts that I feel like doing so that I'll see if the initial figure will look nice. Then I'll just pick up the parts where I left off. In here, you'll see me adjusting the hands to proportion. So, I had a little freak out moment when this happened, since I was using it to film my process and I was doing it outside. Well, anyway. Now I'm adding some cast shadows so I can generally eyeball where the light source is going to be. I apologize if the video is a bit local. I went inside and thought that the lighting was bad, so I overexposed it a bit. Turns out though that I overexposed it a little too much. I tried recovering it in post, but this is the best that I could do. Now I started to detail in the sword. Most of you must be wondering, why is Wolverine swinging a sword? Well, it kind of traces back into his Japanese pre-X-Men time, where he wanted a sword to kill someone who has the same self-healing abilities as him. So the blacksmith reforged the blade for Wolverine, infusing it with a piece of his own soul. So this blade can cut almost anything, and that it will remain cut. Now I'm gonna clean up the face a little and adjusted the details to make his facial muscles be more pronounced. I then moved to draw the linings on the chest area and drew the lines following the muscle shapes. Next, I'm detailing in his lower body part, starting with his belt buckle. Then adding the linings and fold lines to where it should go, so I can just focus on the shadows later. If you guys are enjoying the video, comment down below who do you want me to draw next in comic art style, so that I can include them in my next videos. Now I'm putting on the details of his boots. I actually got lucky that I kind of got the form of the shoes correct in this drawing, because I'm not that good at drawing feet. Lastly, I now proceeded to finalizing the shadows. Since this drawing is more of a comic book style, I wanted the shadows to be more sharp and darker, so it will really achieve that look. And there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on your art vlogs. Thank you, guys, and let's draw again soon.